Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Welcome to Mathematic Points. Today we will learn about algebraic expression. So without any delay, move towards our today lecture. Algebraic expression is an expression that consists of algebraic terms, operations, symbols such as arithmetic operations or brackets. What are arithmetic operations? Plus, minus, division, multiplication. An algebraic expression has no equal sign. So what do you mean by this, students? That algebraic expression is a combination of terms, some operators, as well as it can be brackets. And keep in mind that there should be no equal sign in the expression. So move towards our example. Here, look at this 2x. Is 2x an algebraic expression? No. This 2x is called term. As I already described you that algebraic expression is a combination of terms and some operation. In this algebraic expression, the operation is used as plus. So students, you can notice is that in 2x plus 3, 2 and 3 are the constants and this 2 is also called coefficient. Whereas the x is called variable, 3 is the again constant. So this 2x plus 3 is called algebraic expression. Now here we can notice that 2x plus 3 is also called linear expression because the term has an exponent of 1. Standard form is ax plus b. Okay, focus on the words. The term has an exponent of 1. Here you can notice that what is the power of x? When there is nothing power, that means there is a power 1. So our exponent is 1. Basically, in linear expressions, the power of your variable should be 1. When there is power nothing, this means there is a power of 1. Both these are equal. So, when your algebraic expression with 1 power is also called linear expression. And this is the standard form of your linear expression. Now we will move towards quadratic expressions. What are quadratic expressions? A quadratic expression is any mathematical expression whose power or degree is 2. Take care. What does mean by this? Whose power or degree is 2. In other words, power or degree is 2. In the linear, there is a degree 1. But when we are talking about quadratic expressions, so there is the power 1. In other words, any expression that uses variable with the highest exponent or the expression degree is 2 is a quadratic expression. What does this mean by 2? Whenever there is a expression with the greatest power 2, that means this power, greatest power 2, when apply an expression, they make an quadratic expression. So we see what is the standard form of quadratic expression. Okay students, here you can see this 2x plus 2x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is your quadratic expression. You can notice that we have also one 0, but in the linear or the algebraic expression there is no equal sign or no 0. But quadratic expression must be isolated on one side of the equation. All the terms or variables are on one side of the equation and there should be 1 0 on the other side of the equation. It is a standard form of quadratic expression. Now we can write one example with this by using this standard form. A is any constant. The coefficient of variable x square is a and a is any constant. So I can write this as 2. because it is any constant. So for example, I'm taking 2 x square plus, then again b is any constant, so we can take it as 3 for example, and again c is a constant, so it should be any constant, is equal to 0. So here it is an example of your quadratic expression. Now students, what we have learned that in our algebraic expression we have a variable with power 1. When there is nothing power, that means there is a power 1. Whereas in quadratic expression we have the highest degree, that is 2. And one thing more, when we are working with quadratic expressions, so there is also 0 on the other side of the equal. So it is all about the quadratic expression and algebraic expression. Hope so that after watching this video you have a clear concept about the linear and algebraic expressions. So students, if you watched, like the video, so kindly subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz.